today, it got late yesterday, so I actually had to stop doing the front bumper cover. But today is the day we start to put some paint on it. So the first thing that I do, you guys already saw me scuff it up and everything. So like I said yesterday, I'm gonna go one step further, and I'm gonna use this. It's called Adhesive Promotive, and this is the brand that I use. All right, that's a little better. So this is what I use. So what we'll do is we'll spray a coat of this over everything. As far as the plastic, anything I got plastic, I will put this adhesive promoter on here. And then after I spray it, I'll let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And then we'll go back and we'll be ready to put some paint on it. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright crew, so this is the last coat of clear that we'll be putting on the front bumper cover. And it'll be a wrap. Let's get to it. Alright crew, so we are done with the front bumper cover. I took you guys through step-by-step procedure on how I actually do my bumper covers when you paint it with plastic. It turned out pretty good. I got just a little bit of dirt in it in the front. But you know, hey, this is a used vehicle. Supposed to be a used car. It's not going to be brand new. But overall, it's fantastic. You know, we got factory orange peel in it. I will not be buffing it out or anything like that, but it turned out very good. So like I said, that's step by step, guys. And I showed you what I used to make sure it adheres to the plastic. So I think it turned out very well. I wouldn't have done anything different, but I guess for my gloves, I actually was getting sweat in my glove and it dropped on the paint. So it did drop right there, but that's where the little cover go. But I can also buff that out. That's no problem. Hey crew, so hey, that's another video down in the books, guys, and I hope it was educational to you. I had a lot of fun doing it. So hey, like I tell everybody, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video, but hey, I got many more coming, guys. So if you like these videos and you want more DIY videos, by all means, please leave some comments down below for me, and I will read them and get back with you guys. So hey, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.